We live in a mobile world. Our daily lives revolve around our smartphones, which have become indispensable tools for communication, entertainment, and even education. Our phones are always with us, whether we're at home, at work, or on the go. They are our constant companions, providing us with instant access to information and resources. They're powerful tools for learning. With a plethora of educational apps and resources available at our fingertips, we can learn new skills and expand our knowledge base anytime, anywhere. Ethical hacking is no different. The field of cybersecurity and ethical hacking has embraced mobile learning, making it easier than ever to acquire these valuable skills. You can learn hacking skills anywhere, anytime, right from your phone. Whether you're sipping coffee at a cafe, commuting on a train, or lounging on your sofa, your phone can be your gateway to mastering ethical hacking. Gone are the days of needing bulky computers. The advancements in mobile technology have made it possible to perform complex tasks on devices that fit in our pockets. Mobile learning is convenient and accessible. It allows you to make the most of your time, turning idle moments into productive learning sessions. It's perfect for people with busy lives. Whether you're a professional juggling multiple responsibilities, a parent multitasking, or a student with a packed schedule, mobile learning fits seamlessly into your routine. Whether you're commuting or relaxing at home, your phone becomes your hacking classroom. You can learn at your own pace, on your own terms, without the constraints of traditional learning environments. This mobile revolution in learning opens doors for everyone. It democratizes education, making it accessible to people from all walks of life, regardless of their location or circumstances. You don't need a fancy setup to start. All you need is a smartphone and the desire to learn. With the right resources and a bit of dedication, you can embark on your journey to becoming an ethical hacker. All you need is a smartphone and the desire to learn. The tools and resources are readily available, and the possibilities are endless. Let's explore how to embark on this exciting journey. Together, we'll discover the best apps, resources, and strategies to help you learn hacking on the go. In today's digital age, our lives depend on technology. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly interacting with digital devices. Whether it's checking emails, browsing social media, or using smart home devices, technology is deeply integrated into our daily routines. From online banking to personal data, everything is connected. Our financial transactions, personal communications, and even our health records are stored online. This interconnectedness brings convenience but also exposes us to significant risks. This interconnected world is vulnerable to cyber attacks. Cyber criminals are constantly looking for ways to exploit weaknesses in systems to steal sensitive information, disrupt services, and cause harm. The consequences of these attacks can be devastating, affecting individuals, businesses, and even national security. That's where ethical hackers come in. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their expertise to protect systems and data. They think like cybercriminals but act with integrity and a sense of responsibility. Ethical hackers are the good guys of the cyber world. They work tirelessly to identify and fix vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Their work is crucial in maintaining the security and integrity of our digital infrastructure. They use their skills to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. By conducting penetration tests and security assessments, they uncover weaknesses that could be exploited. This proactive approach helps prevent potential breaches and ensures that systems are robust and secure. They help companies and organizations strengthen their defenses. By providing expert advice and implementing security measures, ethical hackers play a vital role in safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining trust in digital services. Learning ethical hacking is not just a cool skill, it's a crucial one. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the demand for skilled ethical hackers is growing. By acquiring these skills, individuals can contribute to a safer online environment and pursue rewarding career opportunities. By learning ethical hacking, you contribute to a safer online world. You become part of a community dedicated to protecting digital assets and ensuring the privacy and security of information. This knowledge empowers you to make a positive impact in the fight against cybercrime. You gain the power to protect yourself and others from cyber threats. With the right skills, you can identify potential risks, implement effective security measures, and respond to incidents swiftly. This ability to defend against cyber attacks is invaluable in today's digital landscape. It's a rewarding path that combines technical skills with a sense of purpose. Ethical hacking offers the opportunity to continuously learn and grow while making a meaningful difference. By choosing this path, you not only enhance your own capabilities, but also contribute to the greater good of society. Your phone can be a powerful hacking tool with the right apps. These apps provide the tools and resources to practice ethical hacking on the go. One essential app is Termux. It gives you a Linux terminal emulator right on your phone. This allows you to run powerful hacking tools previously only available on computers. Another useful app is Hackode. It's an all-in-one ethical hacking toolkit. It includes network scanners, security analysis tools, and more. These apps are your mobile hacking companions, providing the means to explore and learn. While apps provide the tools, online courses offer structured learning. Many platforms offer ethical hacking courses specifically designed for mobile devices. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera have extensive libraries of courses. You can find courses for all levels, from beginner to advanced. These courses provide video lessons, quizzes, and even hands-on exercises. The flexibility of online courses allows you to learn at your own pace. You can access them anytime, anywhere, making them ideal for mobile learning. Step 1. Laying the foundation. Basic concepts. Before diving into hacking tools and techniques, it's crucial to build a strong foundation. Start by understanding the basics of networking. Learn about IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Next, familiarize yourself with different operating systems like Linux. Linux is widely used in ethical hacking, and understanding its commands is essential. Mastering these fundamental concepts will set you up for success in your ethical hacking journey. Remember, a strong foundation is key to becoming an effective ethical hacker. Take your time to understand these concepts thoroughly. Step 2. Hands-on practice, your ethical playground. Ethical hacking is best learned by doing. Once you have a grasp of the basics, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Set up a safe and legal environment to practice your skills. You can create a virtual lab on your computer, or use online platforms that provide vulnerable systems for ethical hacking practice. Start with simple exercises like scanning your own network or trying to find vulnerabilities in web applications. Remember, always practice ethically and legally. Never attempt to hack into systems or networks without proper authorization. Step 3. Staying sharp. Advanced techniques and updates. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge, and techniques evolve. To stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning is essential. Explore advanced ethical hacking techniques like penetration testing and exploit development. Stay updated on the latest security vulnerabilities and patches. Follow cybersecurity blogs, forums, and news websites to stay informed. Remember, the learning never stops in the field of ethical hacking. Embrace continuous learning to enhance your skills and knowledge. The ethical imperative: hacking for good. With great power comes great responsibility. As an ethical hacker, you possess skills that can be used for both good and bad. It's crucial to always adhere to ethical principles. Obtain proper authorization before testing any systems or networks. Respect the privacy of others and never disclose sensitive information. Use your skills to make the online world a safer place. Remember, ethical hacking is about using your skills responsibly and ethically. Always strive to make a positive impact. Level up your game resources for the aspiring hacker. Welcome to the next step in your journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, there are countless resources available to help you become a proficient ethical hacker. Your journey into the world of ethical hacking doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. The field of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving, and staying updated is crucial. There's a wealth of resources available to further your learning and connect with other enthusiasts. Engaging with a community can provide you with insights, support, and the latest trends in the industry. Explore online communities like Hack Forums and Reddit's cybersecurity subreddits. These platforms are treasure troves of information where you can ask questions, share knowledge, and stay informed about the latest vulnerabilities and exploits. Participate in Capture the Flag or CTF competitions to test your skills. These competitions simulate real-world hacking scenarios and are excellent for honing your problem-solving abilities and technical knowledge. Consider pursuing industry-recognized certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH. Certifications not only validate your skills but also enhance your credibility in the job market. Other notable certifications include Offensive Security, Certified Professional, OSCP, and CompTIA Security Plus. And for even more insights and guidance, be sure to subscribe to CyberWorld YT. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest tutorials, news, and expert advice in the field of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. We provide regular content on ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and more. From beginner tutorials to advanced techniques, our videos are designed to help you at every stage of your learning journey. Join our community of learners and embark on an exciting journey into the world of ethical hacking. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you can share experiences, collaborate on projects, and stay motivated. Remember, the key to success in this field is continuous learning and staying curious. So dive in, explore, and keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge.